Hello.
So do you want to tell me about this car then, Ash?
It's blue and it's horrible. 19, would I say 67, wasn't it?
67, yeah.
67 I think is E-plate. Vauxhall Cresta PC estate car made by Dormobile. Quite a rare bit of kit. I don't think they made many of them because it was a conversion. They didn't actually make an estate car. Dormobile converted them. Now I started on it probably, I don't know, a year ago, something like that. Right, floors had lots of holes in. When you sat on the seat it all fell apart. So being as it's just internal floor pans, I haven't done it majorly neat. So patch there, patch there. Had to cut all of that lot out with the handbrake mounts. Make the floor here, remake that bit, remake all those bits. So that's strengthened all the seat mount up. They put two new front wings on it, but they'd cut them off here. Instead of undoing all the spot welds, they'd cut the wings off here, then put these new wings on top of the old wings. So you had no bonnet gaps, no wing gaps, nothing like that. So I took off the front wings that were on it, cleared all the metal up from underneath. They repaired all the inner wheel arches. I had to put all these channels back in to hold. There's a mud flap in there as such, a dirt deflector. Holes in the chassis and the outriggers. And re-welded the front wings in, realigned all the nose cones, realigned all the bonnet edges. So you've got nice gaps all the way around now. So that's all set up.
So you got this car for a week, so what's your plan for the week?
Right, I've got to finish, I've got to put a little patch in there because that's all been brazed and leaded, so I just want to weld up any holes that are in it. I've repaired that bit there ages ago, you see it's all gone rusty now. Right, I've got to finish that whole boot floors, add it that side where the spare wheel goes. They tried to repair it before and it's just not good enough. So I'll take out that bit of galvanised metal they put in there. They haven't welded the spare wheel holder back in. That's all full of holes when you start looking at it. So I'll cut all of that out, remake all of that this week. Saturday I remade this rain gutter, that was missing completely, all rotted out. That's what was left of it. So I bent up a new one of them. I've got to put the return on it underneath. Just patching that bit up on the sill. Then you've got a few holes back here I've got to do. And that's it for the week. With a bit of luck. No, not gonna have it.
What's going on there then?
Where they repaired it in the past, it's all been, where there's rust holes, they've just put lead in it. And it's a good way of doing stuff, but to weld it, you've got to get all the lead out, otherwise you can't weld it.
And why is that? Does the weld just not adhere to the...
No, the lead's too soft. The minute it gets heat in it, it just pours out.
Oh, okay. So the best way around that is just to take all the lead out?
Yeah, grind the lead out and start from afresh.
Next week on The Workshop.